Introducing the 24-volt Ion Max cordless handheld hedge trimmer from Sunjoe. Tired of tedious manual trimming? Shape overgrown shrubs fast with the Sunjoe hedge trimmer. Perfect for quick trims and easy touch-ups. Designed for easy one-handed operation, Sunjoe delivers cordless convenience anywhere power is at a premium. Just insert the Ion Max battery, power up, and put your yard back in shape. To go from this to this, Sunjoe's powerful motor powers rugged 7-inch steel blades at up to 1,150 revolutions per minute to quickly trim and shape overgrown hedges and shrubs. The durable blades cut through twigs and branches up to 0.3 inches thick for clean, precise results. Lightweight and portable, Sunjoe combines powerful trimming with easy handheld control. The built-in safety lock helps prevent accidental starts, while the included blade sheath provides safe, easy storage. Backed by Sunjoe's 2-year warranty. So when the hedges are out of hand, cut the cord and go with Joe. Get equipped.